Hey guys, this is Miss Paige, and I just wanted to share with you a book that I love to read to my son Anthony, and it's all about the ABCs. A is for ant, munching lunch as it goes. B is for bear with a sweet round nose. C is for cat with whiskers so long. D is for dinosaur, big, green, and strong. E is for elephant that loves nutty treats. F is for frog leaping on webbed feet. G is for giraffe, so tall, grand, and yellow. H is for horse, a sweet, gentle fellow. I is for iguana that loves to climb trees. J is for jellyfish wobbling through the seas. K is for koala from a country down under. L is for lion with a roar like thunder. M is for monkey, very silly and fun. N is for newt, the quiet, sneaky one. O is for owl, hooting loudly in the night. P is for penguin, hungry for a tasty bite. Q is for queen bee, so busy buzzing around. R is for rhino that stomps on the ground. S is for squirrel that never stays still. T is for toucan with a mighty fine bill. U is for unicorn, full of magic and grace. V is for vole with a sweet little face. W is for walrus, count its tusks, 1, 2. X is for X-ray fish, you can see right through. Y is for yak, a huge hairy beast. Z is for zebra, the last but not the least. I hope you like that story, and stay tuned because I have some questions. Did you notice this ant? It said he was munching lunch, but what is he munching? I see a leaf. B is for bear. They pointed out his nose. Did you notice that his nose is made of licorice? C is for cat, with whiskers so long. I bet we all know what a cat says. It says meow. D is for dinosaur, right? And we saw them so long ago, but we don't see them anymore. Look at this elephant. Did you notice something funny about his ears? It reminds me of a fruit I've seen before, like a peach. Hi, silly frog. He likes to hop, hop, hop all day long. Have you ever seen a frog hopping before? And if you did you happen to notice his feet? And they were connected by a web. Look at that tall giraffe. His body kind of reminds me of a chocolate chip cookie. Yum, yum. Hi, horse. I see your furry body. And his 2 ears, do you see that they're made of leaves? That's so silly. Wow, cool iguana. I noticed something funny about his back. Do you see the crayons? J's for my jellyfish friend. And although he looks cool in this picture, I wouldn't want to touch one if I saw him in the water. But his little sour gummy worm tentacles sure look yummy. There's a koala climbing up the tree. Hi, koala. Whoa, look at that lion. I want to know if any of my friends can do the lion sound. Let's hear it. That's right. It's roar. M is for monkey. I know we can do a monkey sound. And did you notice his ears? His ears are made of oranges. And his nose is made of a coconut. Hi, Newt. I noticed his eyes. They were made of eggs. I wonder how many of my friends like to eat eggs. And if you look at this Newt's back, you may have noticed some stars. But if you look real close, it's actually a fruit named after the shape. It's called a star fruit. Mr. Owl, so funny. Look at his ears and his wings. They're made of greens, like lettuce. And his eyes are made of sunflowers. So pretty. What is that penguin doing? He's so silly. He must be fishing for fish. Did you know that penguins like to eat fish? There's Mrs. Bee buzzing around. Who noticed the crown on her head? A colony of bees always has a queen who's in charge. Mr. Rhino, I see your carrot nose. Kind of reminds me of a snowman. A little bit like Olaf. Mr. Squirrel! I love squirrels. I think they're so fun. But look at his tail. Has anyone seen that around their house before? It's called a feather duster, and it's used for cleaning. There's that toucan again. I noticed in the story it said the toucan had a mighty fine bill. I wonder who knows what a bill is. That's right. It's this part right here. The beak or the bill of the bird, and it's basically his mouth. This toucan has a banana for his bill. There's the unicorn. I noticed two things about this unicorn. It has an ice cream cone for his horn. He also has a peacock feather for the tail. A vole, so funny looking, kind of reminds me of like a mouse. This vole has two ears, and in the picture we see it's made of sponge. Sponge is a creature that lives in the ocean, and it's kind of like coral. Mr. Walrus, it said it had two tusks. Let's count them and make sure. We have 1, 2. But did you notice something? Those tusks were made of bananas. But a real walrus does not have bananas for a tusk. Here's an X-ray fish, and they are really neat when you see them in the wild because you can see through them. Kind of like when you have to go to the doctor or the dentist and get an X-ray. There's the yak, and I noticed he too was made of a coconut. I think they wanted to show how furry he is. And last, there's Mr. Zebra, our friend that's kind of like a horse, but it's covered in stripes. I wonder who can tell me what two colors are the stripes? That's right. I see white and I see black. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the story because I enjoyed reading it to you, and I look forward to talking to you soon.